Stand by. 3, 2, 1. Activate.
Oh, look at the elephant go! The others are trying to work out how to deal with it. The cat grabbing through the wheels of the elephant. Beep beep Murray darting around trying to get a good angle. The elephant bringing over. Oh no! Elephant, can you climb out? Come on! Come on! No! Oh no!
Enable.
Oh no!
Descending. Descending.
I don't think that bit was supposed to come on. The poor elephant. It's down to the cat and the sheep. Who'd have thunk it? And they are chasing each other down while the elephant rotates. Yes! Remove the balls. Create work for Darren. Oh goodness! Oh! The cat there. Beep Beep Mareep has also lost a wheel. I don't know when that happened. I must have missed that one. The elephant is still here. Mareep and Cat still fighting for position, but it looks like it might go to the judges here, unless someone does something really dumb.
3, 2, 1. Seize.
So,